In the name of God. 1. What is static support and resistance? 2. What are the features of a support? 3. What are the characteristics of a resistor? 4. How to find support and resistance. What is static support and resistance? One of the first and most important concepts in technical analysis is the determination of support and authority, and for this reason, it is called the framework of technical analysis. It is also easy to learn. These levels are horizontal levels to which the price has reacted in the past. In other words, their amount has been fixed on the price chart. What are the features of a support? The price level at which buyers appear stronger in this area than sellers, and sellers perform poorly, so demand overpowers supply and halts the downward trend in prices. In other words, whenever the price approaches the support level, traders feel the value of the share price and buy, which increases demand and increases its price, which prevents further price falls. What are the characteristics of a resistor? The resistance level is the level at which sellers tend to sell more and buyers tend to buy less. In other words, sellers appear strong and buyers act poorly, so there are more sellers, and it prevents further price growth. In other words, traders are pessimistic about the price rising in this area and feel that the share price does not rise in this area, so they sell, and therefore a resistance zone is formed in which the stock rises. Most show resistance price. How to draw support lines. To draw a support range, find a price floor, and then draw a line from this point to other points in the same direction as the price from which the price has returned upwards and formed a floor. With this method, we can when the price reaches these points, let's do our shopping. How to draw a resistor. And to draw the resistance, find a price ceiling and then draw a line from this point to other points in the same direction, and in the same direction from which the price has returned down, and in other words form the ceiling to get the resistance range. Becoming support to resistance. Whenever a valid support in the market is broken and the price crosses our support and moves down, the same broken support in the future becomes price resistance and reacts when the price reaches that area. Becoming resistance to support. Whenever a valid resistance breaks in the market and the price crosses the resistance and moves upwards, the same broken resistance becomes price support in the future and reacts when the price reaches that area.